All right, not so fun because I looked down in my car last night and well, it's missing something, isn't it? Should be a pulley down there. Oh wait, because there isn't one now. There it is. I've taken it out because the dreaded crank pulley bolt failures, and now my big pulley isn't on anymore. Actually, I'll show you this. So if we go take a peek, there's the rest of the bolts. Not ideal. Not ideal at all. So let's get this fixed. Just like that, all the bolts are out of there. So I think that's all of them. I'm like in the box, the holes are for sure clear. Man, that learned a few things. This is the first time I've ever had to do an extraction, and it's for sure finicky. Okay, so I got a few extraction kits, kind of went probably a little overboard because just throw everything at trying to fix this thing and be down for as minimal time as possible. One of the kits, it was this ThinkPro 25 piece. So the key, or something quite useful I should say anyways, was this. So these first three were for 1/8 inch bolts, and then I taped up the end so it would fit inside just got my from the 3.2 build that I still haven't done. There's the crank. So anyways, taped it up a little bit to fill up the hole to try and center that. That worked pretty well. So then you weren't just throwing a drill bit as it was spinning, just chewing around the threads, and it actually did a pretty good job of keeping it center, as like that picture. That's kind of that piece and the 1/8 inch bit there. The rest of these, that's not what I was about. I did use the 1 and 2 kit here, and then there was another extraction set that I had ordered as well. It came with these two, number 1 and 2 in their kit. I'll post a link for it in the description as well. That was also helpful in getting them out. And then also needed a 90-degree drill. That was helpful, but I did need to put it into service mode just to be able to reach down in there, and I got a few things out of the way as well. If you didn't know, head stud bolts, perfect thing on both sides. So that worked out quite well. Now, what am I gonna do? Dun 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 dun. Jay, I should have got your kit a while ago, and I should have just got it, just replaced them. But had to go through the pain of this first. So anyways, my pulley kit needed the 30 mil long crank pulley bolts. They have it on the website, what size you need. Check it out. JXP Performance with your crank pulley, ARP crank pulley bolts. You better believe these are what I'm recommending now, so people don't have this failure. And I've had this on the car for 70,000 kilometers, I don't know the amount. Yeah, I've had it on the car for 70,000 kilometers, and the entire time I've been up from single pulley, because I started single pulley with that one, then on the stock blower went dual pulley onto the 57 there. But yeah, I've had that pulley on since about 120,000 kilometers, and I'm at 197,000 kilometers now. So it's been on a long time, no issues, no yeah. And if you're looking around in this frame there and you see a lot of that black matter, that would be belt. There's a lot of belt that I've already cleaned up and stuff, but I've yeah, definitely through testing right sizes and putting these Gates belts to their max, I've burned through a few. Okay, so I've already cleaned out the threads, and I'm gonna put the new bolts in and get this car back together. But that's it. I'm not gonna go on the how-to to take it all apart, because maybe you do it a little differently. It's there's a lot of stuff on how to take a bumper off, put it in service mode. That's not my shtick. There's a lot of great videos out there doing that. But JXB ARP bolts for the win now. Cheers, guys. Catch you in the next one.